following areas in New Jersey, Middlesex, Western Monmouth, and Eastern Monmouth. Coastal flood advisory remains in effect from 6 a.m. to 11 a.m. Sunday. Location, areas along the Atlantic Ocean and its adjacent back bays.
That's not true, because at 1:24 a.m. Mount Holly upgraded the coastal flood advisory to a coastal flood warning. Forgot to change my time.
Weather forecast. Low temperatures over range from the lower 20s in Florida.
So I will probably be woken up in the middle of the night to a coastal flood warning. Let's see if we take a look here. There's a coastal flood warning in dark green. See? It was issued at 1:25 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, but it's in effect from 6 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time till noon Eastern Daylight Time today. Because of daylight savings.
South winds 5 to 10 miles per hour.
It was not relayed yet. So that tells me that either they're not going to relay it, or I'm going to be woken up to a coastal flood warning sometime during the night. Yep, so also, if we just take a look at the alert map here. There it is. Southern 2/3 of Delaware and coastal New Jersey. Coastal flood warning. Yep. Alright. Talk to you guys later. Have a good night.